What up? All right. What's up, my people? Alright, so I'm about to go get my birth certificate because I gotta go to Canada soon. So I'm gonna take you on this journey with me, you know what I mean? So check it out. Let's see if I get my birth certificate today. Okay? Check it out. I'm in Queens Village. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna travel from Queens Village to Manhattan. You know what I'm saying? Where shit happened. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Check me out though. We're not gonna take it. No, we're not gonna take it. We're not gonna take it anymore. We're not gonna take it. No, we're not gonna take it. We're not gonna take it anymore. So we're walking through Queens Village right now. This is basically the hood I was raised in. Not really, you know what I mean? But this is basically the hood I was raised in. You know what I'm saying? But not really. I was raised in Hollis and South Jamaica. You know what I'm saying? That's where I was really raised in, you know what I'm saying? But and Brooklyn too. But I lived a large part of my life in Queens Village. This is Springfield. This is basically where I basically grew up. But you know what I'm saying? I remember my boy Edgar. He lives right here on this block, on 222nd Street. And my boy Elvis, my boy Edgar, he moved to Florida. You know, I don't know what happened to him. The days just moved. I guess they got a better living out there. I mean, they forgot about New York. You know what I'm saying? They was just like, fuck New York. They was like, fuck New York. New York people stink like shit. Oh shit. This girl just ran away from me. Like I was chasing her or some shit. Anyway. I'm not chasing you, bitch. Anyway. This is my hood. Nigga! Queensville, Shadyville. You know the deal. You know the vibes. You don't snitch on nobody, kid. Anyway, I'm about to go get my birth certificate. So I'll hit you in the little with more vibe, more views, and a dick in your face. You know what I'm saying? Cause I will hit you with a fucking GoPro if you come up to me. You know what I'm saying? I will. Yo, what up, kid? Yo, I'm lost right now. I don't know where I'm at. I'm about to take a piss right here. I don't know where I'm at, but check it out. Check it out. Check this shit out. I'll take a piss. This is me taking a piss. You know what I'm saying? Me taking a piss. Me taking a piss. I control over my life. John, fucking people. Yeah, no, that's what I say. I'm not gonna show my dick on camera. You know what I'm saying? Dude, that is violation. But I am taking a piss right now. And there is people looking at me right now. And they're looking at my dick right now. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I can show you that. But they're not interested in my dick. You know what I'm saying? They're not interested in my binga. Binga, singa, kola kola binga, kinga, dinga, banga, gringa, kola jinga, singa, kola kola bala binga, binga, bora binga, linga, minga, hinga, hinga, hinga. All right. So I made it to the city, you know what I mean? Now it's telling me 11 minutes to get to my destination. Yo.
No, because I already know how it's gonna go. They wanna have
I struggled. You don't know how much I struggled to get here. This shit was fucked up. It really fucked up. I mean, but I made it. I finally made it, and it's only 12 minutes. And I'm gonna show y'all, or I'm gonna bring y'all with me to this torture, these 11 minutes with me. You know what I'm saying? So tune in and let's do this, alright? You know what I'm saying? Check it out. You know what I'm saying? That's what I gotta do. That's where I gotta go. You know what I'm saying? So y'all gonna tune in with me, alright? Alright. York shit. Oh shit, it's the highway? Alright, man, we finally here. It took mad long to get here. I don't even know how long it took to get here, but people are texting me. It's crazy out here in the city. It took like 2 hours, man. You know, I live in Queens, man. You know what I'm saying? I mean, yo, it took like 2 hours. No, I'm not gonna exaggerate. It took like an hour and a half, maybe an hour. I don't know, but I'm here. You know what I'm saying? It's one of those buildings right there. You know what I mean? I gotta get my birth certificate. I'm trying to go to Canada to rock this show with Onyx. You know, I've been an Onyx fan ever since a little kid. I think this shit should be entertaining. You know what I mean? Word. You know what I'm saying? Now, if Onyx beat me up, that'd be more entertaining. You know what I'm saying? I hate your fucking life and I hope that you die. Sticky fingers, the name of my life is alive. What the fuck, blah, blah, the black, the dip, with the blah, blah, cock in the blah, blah, blah. blah, 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 blah. Alright. So I finally got here, okay? Finally got here. Well, let's see what happens. Finally got here. It's somewhere around here. You know what I mean? My journey to get my birth certificate. Ahí está. ¿Se ve? That's where you gotta go. If you want your birth certificate, that's where you gotta go, baby. It looked like a big ass scary church. Alright, well, let's go in there and let's see if they give me my birth certificate. You know what I'm saying? Oh shit. Oh shit. They better give me my birth certificate, cause, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I'm not gonna take no for an answer, you know what I'm saying?
Now serving A1021 at window number 7.
Ahora sirviendo A1021 en la ventana número 7.
Trying to get my birth certificate.
Now serving A1188 at window number 5.
Ahora sirviendo A1188 en la ventana número 5.
Puñeta. Peace. So I got my birth certificate. You know what I'm saying? I got my birth certificate. And I'm able to go to Canada now. You know what I'm saying? So I got my birth certificate. You know what I'm saying? And I'm able to go to Canada. So that's some good shit. You know what I mean? Word. So that's that. That's my video for today. Enjoy watching these New York streets. It's pouring right now. It's raining. It's crazy right now. You know what I'm saying? Good thing I got my polo rain jacket on. I come prepared, baby. You know what I'm saying? Word. See that deli right there? I'm about to hit it real quick. Why? I don't know. I mean, I got a long way home. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know where the fuck I'm at. I don't even know how I'm getting home. But but I'm gonna get home. And I'm gonna just hit this deli.
On your side. You don't wanna turn against your own people. I'll shut up. Yo, you wanna hear my song? You wanna put it on YouTube? Yeah, you on YouTube?
Don't picture
Let's do this.
I'm not a movie star.
Okay, but
Yo, you gotta give me some money though.
nah,
You got money?
Give me a cigarette.
Well, why you here?
I don't smoke, man. But let's
But you
hit.
got
Let's hear
money?
what you got, B.
Where's the money at?
Money in. This ain't free.
Let's hear what you got. Let's hear what you got.
Gotta get some money.
Picture ain't free.
Nah, man. Nah, let's hear what you got, bro.
Something coming out right now.
Bro, let's see what you got.
Hey,
Let's see
yo,
what you
come
got.
on, man. Go.
Yeah, he said keep it moving. He said keep it moving.
Keep it
Yeah,
moving.
he said keep it moving.
Yeah,
serious?
there's no pictures here.
Yeah.
Go.
All right.
Heard?
No, no picture on
I was
you.
gonna say,
Well,
but
just
yo,
go. Where you just go.
yeah, it's about time to go.
Yeah.
Go.
All right.
Just trying to hook you up, but you gotta hook a brother up,
Wanna
son.
be a
You
cop,
gotta hook a
go
brother
to
up.
the
I'm trying to hook you up. I'm gonna put you on my page.
You know what I'm saying?
Go, man.
Yo, we need dinero,
There you
son.
go.
We need
I'm
dinero.
trying to hook you up.
We need money, son.
I'm trying to hook you up,
We out here,
though.
we in the
Yo,
streets, son.
I'm
Real shit out
I'm
here.
trying to give you
That way,
some.
man.
I'm trying to give you some
Man,
promotion,
please.
though.
Yeah,
You
you do it, you do it, you do
know
it.
what I'm saying?
We needed that up front. You know, front. You ain't get that. You ain't get that like just like that. All right.
All right. I see.
It's time to go, man.
All right. All right. Peace. Peace.
Time to
Yo,
go,
man,
We
You
got
missed
movie stars.
a big opportunity right here, bro.
God is my opportunity.
All right.
Not you.
I'm Big Bang.
Facts, son.
You
Facts,
gotta go.
son.
I'm Mr. Big Bang. You gotta go, man.
Not the
Facts. So,
Wow, that's gangster. That's hot, bro.
yo, will she accept my friend request?
Let me see.
Will she accept my friend request?
It depends.
It depends, maybe.
It depends.
She's not gonna accept my friend.
Is she
request.
hot?
Yes.
Very, very, very hot.
Yeah.
The
She's
hotter
not-
she is, the less likely she
Yeah,
is.
yeah. She's
likely
not,
to.
No,
Why-
keep
why
it
did
real.
she-
Keep it real.
Because
Looking at me.
the hot girls.
Looking at me. Will she accept? Come on, keep it real. Keep it real.
Well, and then it depends on how much game and money you have.
No. When I press that request button, what do you think? Just keep it real.
Well, I haven't.
No.
If you believe,
You know what I'm saying? Like, little
You
hat.
believe.
No excuses. Come on, man. Just give it to me raw,
Yeah,
bro.
she would, why not? Let me
Yeah,
see what this guy's
she
about.
will.
Yeah?
Why not? Why
She
not?
will?
Yeah, let's see. She will.
Let me
Alright,
see,
thank
let
you.
me
I love you, bro. I love you, bro. I love you too, man. Yo, I love you, bro. I love you for that. I love you. I hope she accepts my friend request. I hope she accepts my friend request, man. Because if she don't, then, well, whatever. I still love y'all. You know what I'm saying? Word.
Yeah. How you
Fact.
man though?
Hmm?
How you seen her? How you seen her?
Oh, you ain't seen her? Hey. Can I ask you a question? Will she accept my friend request?
You got
All right. $1? She'll accept it for $1? All right. Hey, I can do that.
How much is it?
I can do that. I can do that.
How much is it?
I can do $1 for a friend request.
How much is this?
You got $5.
How much is it? One. How much is one? $1?
It's good, bro. I taste it. It's good.
$1. Two.
That's the same thing. That's the same one.
You said $1.
Yo,
That shit is cool.
Yo, let me
That's
hear you
not-
spit. Let me hear you spit. You know Ill Bill?
Ill Will. I'm not
Ill Bill.
Yo.
Ill Bill.
I'll come up all up in your grill, you know.
You know
Shit
Necro?
ain't silly.
Necro?
Yeah, I'll have you out like Necro.
Necro's my boy. Necro's my boy.
You know NyQuil?
Necro's my boy.
LKJ?
Necro's my boy. PLR.
How you mind?
Psychological Records. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you know Necro?
Nah,
You don't know Necro?
Jeans.
Oh my God.
One of my jeans would tell me about
You don't know Ill Bill? My Jewish boys? Oh my God, man. Come on, man. How can you not know Necro and Ill Bill, bro? They running the game right now, kid. You know what I'm saying?
Where they from?
I'm from Queens.
No, where are they from?
Where they from? They from Brooklyn. They from Canarsie. You know what I'm saying? They're from Canarsie. You got something? Spit. They will see this. Spit some shit, kid.
what time is it?
Spit. What time is it? Motherfucker. Whatever time is it, don't quit. Yo, I'll hit it off the rip. Yo, I'll come quick with the spit, rip. Yo, and then I dip. And then we out. Yo, the sauerkraut. We getting it. We getting mad clout. Yo, so what's good? We're downtown. We all around. We all around. Chickies, fly honeys, and then Playboy bunnies. Yo, we all getting monies. That's what we're trying to do. But that's a little thing. Nothing much right now. Right now, I'm not in the mood.
Not in the mood. I got you.
Not in the mood.
You're not in the
Sometimes
mood.
I'm in the mood.
Sometimes you're in the mood. Sometimes you're not.
That's, yeah, how do you swim?
But you spitting for these dudes though. Like.
Spit when I'm in the mood.
You spitting.
I
for
spit
these
when I'm in the
dudes.
mood. I don't spit for the dudes. I spit for the
Okay.
main dude. He comes to my brain, dude. And be like, yo, she give me a head insane, dude.
Yeah, last night I was on the Flip the Script podcast. You know Flip the Script? Flip the Script? Yeah, I was on there last night.
Script,
Yeah, I was on the Flip the Script podcast.
Alright.
And
There you go. You make that money, son. Make that money. La plata o el plomo. Oye, yo soy más caliente de yomo. Ahora te voy a decir en reggaetono. Oye, que tú no sabes mi tono. Oye, no homo, pero vamos a venir con el plomo. Ey, yo, desde aquí de Tony Yello. Aquí es lo que jugamos, es strictly Yello. Vamos a hacer lo calle. Oye, calle, se la boca. No, aquí it's unspoken. Yo, you reckon with the wrong man, Stan. I'm not Eminem, man. Yo, this shit is real, Stan. I'm sick of this in the sand. Yo, it's straight up sand. So what up? Yo, you can catch me a sing. Shit ain't fucking creed. Yo, what up with the re? Yo, we gonna read up. We gonna get up, alright? You heard? God bless. Everybody gonna get up.
yo,